giving me bundles, but for $40. Like, could you really beat that? Could you really beat that? I don't think so. Crew, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing another wig review. No, it's not another Amazon wig, but it is another synthetic wig that I have been rocking on and off for some time now, and I recently repurchased the wig, so I will be doing a full-on review showing you guys how I apply the wig, and at the end I will be giving my final thoughts and some recommendations if you enjoy this wig. If you would like to see how I got this wig to be melted, then get into this wig review of Outre's melted hairline collection in the style Natalia. Alright, you guys, so today I'm going to be doing a wig review. I am going to be reviewing this melted hairline lace front wig by Outre in the style Natalia. Actually, this isn't my first time wearing this wig. I've worn it so many times in my videos, but I just repurchased a new one and I've gotten a lot of compliments on this wig, so I was like, let me do a review. So obviously, since I told you guys that this is my second time purchasing, I obviously love the wig. This whole collection, like the melted hairline collection, was so bomb. Like the lace, honey, let's get into it. I picked up the wig in the color 1B, and it has like these really pretty, just like effortless curls. It is a middle part, but I prefer to wear it as a side, usually side part, but we'll see. Let me just show you guys what it looks like just straight off the pack, not even cutting the lace and anything. It does come with a few baby hairs that I usually just cut off because I'm not a big baby hair person, and if I do baby hairs, I usually just use my natural hair. So this is what the wig is looking like. Of course, you guys, I have to like go in, and I like to have a side part. I usually like it to be on this side, so let's just like shift the wig a little bit. And yeah, the hair is really soft. It does get like the wig, like my old one, I still wear it. I wore it in my Kylie video, and it is a little bit like not as soft as this one is. But you know, I have worn it for a good minute, so. The lace is like a very weird color. I'm going to go in with my Sally Hansen airbrush leg, and this is in the color medium glow. I'm just gonna spray the wig and where the lace is, honestly. So this just helps for it to blend into my skin a little bit easier. And I like to do it far because this stuff is pigmented, honey. I kind of just like to blend it in a little bit because it is like a wet product. So I'm going to take a brush and just dab off the excess and spray it with some hairspray to kind of set it in. You can see it is not as green anymore, and I'm just like kind of like blending in the Sally Hansen spray. I just like this so much more than going in with powder. Like, this just makes it so much easier. And I'm just gonna spray it with some hairspray just so that it holds a little bit longer. But I will note is that it does get a little bit more messy. Like, I do have some of the spray on the hair, but if you just, you know, give it a few tugs, it will. So I do want to do a side part. So I don't know, I'm weird. I don't like to cut off the lace before I glue the wig down. I don't know what it is. Okay, so you guys can see my widow's peak, and that's usually why I tend to go for a side part, because it just looks way more natural. Cute, cute, cute. I probably should have got a number 2 because I just feel like this looks very, very dark. But This wig is freaking gorgeous to me. Like, I just love it. Oh, okay. I feel like I'm gonna be ordering this wig so many times. Okay, so now literally, you guys, all I'm gonna do is go cut off the lace, and I'll be right back to show you guys how I glue it down. Usually I do glue it down like on my head because I just find it easier, but since I'm doing a tutorial well, wig review, I'm going to cut the lace off camera and then show you guys what I do to glue it down. All right, the lace is cut off. Honestly, I like to usually line it up with a braid, but ooh, it's already, I don't like it on that side though. Let's put it, ooh, 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 chill. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna put it there. And then what I like to do is just get out some of my own baby hairs. If I can find a freaking comb. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just like, literally, you guys, my braids aren't too fresh, so this will be an easier time. Ooh. Oh my gosh, everything is like sticking to my lip gloss. All right, it's placed where I want it on my head, and I'm just gonna take this bedhead mini hard head spray and just kind of mold it down. And then I'm gonna take my own baby hairs and kind of push them out the way. This is how the wig turned out. I just added a lip and switched my shirt because the black on black was a little too much for me, so I just needed to like break up the color, so I added on this brown shirt. But all in all, you guys, Outre and Natalia, I love this wig. Like I said, this is my second time purchasing. I'm so happy that I could do this review for you guys because I literally have worn the other wig not to the ground. Like, it is like, the fact that I repurchased it, I'm now seeing more of my cons, and if I did do an initial like review for you guys, I definitely wouldn't be able to tell you what I'm about to tell you right now. So honestly, you guys, when you wear this wig continuously, like I said, this was my go-to wig just because of the melted lace. I literally have to do minimal alterations, and this hair just like it is giving me bundles, but for $40. Like, could you really beat that? Could you really beat that? I don't think so. So literally, you should pick it up. But I do have some cons for you guys. The pros though, wait, should I do the pros first or the cons? So the cons for this wig, honestly, you guys, after continuous wear, the curls fall, you know. So I don't think that's a surprise to anyone, but the hair definitely gets rougher. Like, it's not as silky as it once, like when you first get it out the pack. Like, I'm noticing that now because I wore this wig, my old one, in my Kylie Cosmetics review. So if you haven't checked that out, go check out that video. That is the video before, no, I don't know, but my Kylie X Kindle collab review. You guys should definitely check it out. I wore this wig, my older one, and y'all, my voice is going in and out, I'm so sorry, but it's just like, it's so super dry. The curls are kind of still there, but they're not as like bouncy and as like effortless as they look right now. But I feel like this wig is super duper pretty, and I don't mind repurchasing it. Like, it's $40. I got a good amount of use out of it. I feel like I had it for about 3 months, and you guys, to be honest with you guys, I have never repurchased a wig before. This is my first one, so you know that I really do like this wig. Now that we've gotten out of the way with the cons, let's get into the beautiful pros, you guys. This curl pattern, it's beautiful. When you first get it, it's freaking beautiful. No, I shouldn't even talk about that first. I should talk about the freaking lace. The lace, honey, the lace. And I also picked up another wig from this collection because I am obsessed. Like, I feel like the lace is literally unmatched in the synthetic community, and I'm just like, it's synthetic wig among all synthetic companies. I have not gone across anything that's like this. Like, if you are new to wigs, if you want to stay on the synthetic end and not have a human wig, which I am going to be reviewing more human wigs on my channel. I have 2 that are already coming, so don't worry about a thing, honey. That will come if you want more human hair reviews. But what I'm saying is, if you are looking for a good wig to start out with, I feel like the Outre Perfect Hairline collection is the perfect synthetic wig to start with. And you have so many to choose from, you guys. I have purchased the Catalina, which I will either insert pictures or I'll link the videos down below. I didn't actually do a review on them, but I did wear them in some videos. My Valentine's Day video, I had Catalina on. It was the really pretty honey blonde, kind of chocolate brown truffle. It's called chocolate truffle, but it's like a honey blondish type of look on me, so I really like that wig. The lace wasn't as impeccable as this lace. Like, Natalia's lace, y'all, I don't know what it is, but me and her get along like this, period. So I really like Natalia, which is this one. It's kind of like it's supposed to be a middle part, so I'm wearing it as a side part because, you guys, I don't know if I told you guys, but with my widow's peak, I just prefer to have a side part. It's just less of a hassle for me, because when I have to do a middle part, child, I have to really bring my wig before my hairline, and I like to use my own baby hairs when blending a wig, but that's just me. But you can wear this as a middle part because that's how it's supposed to come. The third wig that I can recommend from this melted hairline collection is Sabrina, Outre Sabrina. I freaking love that wig. I wore it in my first PLT, Pretty Little Thing try on haul, so if you guys remember that, that's the wig that I'm wearing. I freaking love it. Like, the lace is just so good, it's easy to melt, and I feel like, honestly, I feel like Outre should expand this line even more. Like, I love it, and I don't know if they should expand it, or I just feel like they should make this type of lace on every single wig that they put out. I don't know why they wouldn't do it, and I feel like this is the best lace. No shade, no tea. So yeah, so I really do like the lace. I feel like it's easy to blend. I did not do much to this wig. I literally tinted the lace and cut the lace off, pulled out some of my baby hairs and slicked the thing down, child. And I can't wait to try other colors. I really recommend this wig. Literally, the pros are, it does come with the elastic band. I didn't really show you guys the construction of the wig, but it does come with the elastic band. It comes with adjustable strap, and it comes with 2 combs and 1 comb in the back, so a lot of security with this wig. I don't really use the elastic band, I just use the adjustable strap, because I feel like the elastic band, when you put it on, it does not, like, it's not as like I don't know how to describe it. It's not as like tight as most elastic bands are, so it doesn't add as much security as you would think it should. So that's a con too. But I feel like, all in all, if you are beginning or you want to get into wigs, you don't want to spend a lot of money, I feel like this is the perfect wig. It won't last you forever. It won't last you that long if you are wearing it like on weeks on end, to be honest. And that's one thing that I can say about me, is that I'm not someone who just wears wigs continuously, especially during this quarantine. Like, you guys, I have my cornrows under here, and I take this wig off as soon as I'm ready to go to bed, honey. So that's no shade, no tea. So I don't wear it as continuously, but this is one wig that, you guys, I have worn in so many videos. I have worn on so many. I've worn it more than I've worn other wigs, because it just melts. Like, the lace is just that good. It's not like, it doesn't fight with me, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I just need to put a wig on and I don't want to do like a curly hair bang wig, then this is my go-to. So, and I've gotten a lot of questions about this wig, so I did want to repurchase for my own needs, but also do this review for you guys to let you guys know what this wig is, how to put it on, and everything like that. So that's my final thoughts on Outre Natalia. Outre Sam's Beauty, because I purchased from Sam's Beauty. Outre Sam's Beauty. Any of y'all want to sponsor the kid, let me know, honey, because, or if you need some more ideas for the next wig for this melted hairline collection, call your girl up. Like, call your girl Courtney Janine, because Courtney will help you guys. We can even name one of them Courtney or Janine, you know, whichever one you prefer, because I don't think they have a wig called Janine, honey. So we can make it, and we need this melted hairline lace on it, and just hit me up because I'm ready whenever y'all are. But yeah, that's my that's my final thoughts on this wig. Let me know down below if you are interested in picking this wig up. If you already have her, what were your thoughts? If you are interested in her, go check out right now. Tell them that Courtney Janine sent y'all. And yeah, I can't believe this is a synthetic wig, y'all. Like, I really be like, this is giving me, it is a little thin. You know what, I'm coming up with, like, this is all the hair pulled to the front. So take that as you will. I feel like it's like a 100% to 130% density. So yeah, and I feel like it's big head friendly too, because I have it, like, I had to like put it all the way to the other side. Like, I had to put it on the tightest elastic strap. So yeah, and yeah, I feel like that's all my thoughts and opinions. If you have any more questions, I'm kind of still new to these wig reviews, so if I missed like an important, you know, criteria, let me know down below and I will be sure to include it in my next one and answer your question. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.